In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form on Wix. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. On the left-hand toolbar, click the plus icon labeled Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps all the building blocks you can insert into your site, including text, images, buttons, and of course, forms. From there, click Contact and Forms. You will see a selection of form layouts in the Contact section. Take a moment to choose a design that matches your site's style and the kind of information you want to collect. Once you find one you like, simply drag it onto your page and place it where you want visitors to see it. Usually this works best on a dedicated contact page or near the bottom of a service page. Next, click directly on the form you've added to the canvas and choose Edit Form, or in some versions of Wix. Form Settings. This opens the form dashboard, where you can customize how the form works. Here, you can add new fields, delete anything you don't need, or rearrange the order, so the form feels more natural for visitors to complete. Common fields include name, email, and phone number. And you can also decide which fields should be marked as required. This is helpful because it ensures you collect the most important information without making the form feel too long or complicated. After that, go to the Notifications tab in the Form Settings. This is an important step, because it determines where alerts will be sent whenever someone submits the form. Enter the email address or addresses that should receive those notifications so you never miss an inquiry. Before making the form live, click Preview to test it. This gives you a chance to see how the form looks and works from a visitor's perspective. Make sure the layout looks clean. The fields are in the right order, and submissions behave as expected. Once everything looks good, click Publish in the top right corner to make the form live on your site. And that's it. Thanks for watching.